Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to deposit USDT in MEXC Global. So for depositing USDT, first you need to open MEXC app on your mobile phone. Once you open MEXC app on your mobile phone, then here at the bottom right corner, you have the option of wallets. Click on it. Once you click on wallets, then here at the top, you have the option of spot. Tap on it. Then here you see the option of deposit. Go there. Then this crypto page will appear on your screen. Here choose that crypto which you want to deposit. So here I tap on USDT. So from this page you need to select network. So here I select TRX. Once you done all these steps, then this type of page will appear. For depositing USDT, you need to copy this address or scan this code. Or you can save this as image or you can share this address to anyone. So this is the easiest way to deposit USDT in MEXC Global. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.